My entire life changed when I realized that in order to create the home of my dreams, I'd have to build it myself. And that's exactly what I did. My name is Angela Rose, and I'm a passionate DIYer who believes that we should stop pinning and start doing. That spirit of doing is a huge part of my collaboration with Loloi. It was important to me that this collection be beautiful and accessible. I wanted to show that inspirational design is within anyone's reach, regardless of budget, where you live, or anything else. My home will always be a work in progress, but creating an uplifting, happy, and inspiring environment for my family, it never gets old. These rugs and pillows are what I've always searched for. Gorgeous, muted colors, and that faded, vintage-inspired look that brings everything in the room together effortlessly. And of course, durability is key. I have 3 kids, so I need a rug that feels soft during barefoot dance parties. And let's be honest, one that's easy to clean when a bowl of cereal spills. These rugs are made for real life, for mine, and hopefully for yours too.